What would happen if the average person got their hands on a military spy drone? This is the RQ-7 and it's used for surveillance and other missions flown by the US military. Now, Tom at Legend Hobby, for some reason, thought it was a good idea to put one in my hands. I have one of the only two of these things in the United States. It's considered half scale, meaning it's half the size of the real one. And why would I want one of these? The second this thing showed up at my house, I had to rip these boxes open. I'm telling you, I'm super excited for this thing. And honestly, just going over the parts, it's super high quality. Now, this is a plug-and-play model, so it comes with the servos, comes with the motor, the ESC, the prop, everything except the receiver and battery. Now, this is going to be available from legendhobby.com soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And on 6S, running a 15x7 prop, and it's going to have an 8,000 milliamp battery, this thing is going to be able to fly for a long time. Those carbon fiber tubes that keep the tail to the fuselage are beautiful. And just like the last model I got from Legend Hobby, the covering on this is absolutely flawless. So make sure you guys keep an eye out at legendhobby.com because this should be available to you guys pretty soon. Until then, I got mine.